What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're on our way on a beautiful Monday, 90-degree weather to Bear Mountain with my buddies, Bo, one of his co-workers, and my man Eddie. Decided to take a little half a day to go to Bear Mountain on this beautiful, beautiful day. So we're gonna go to all the way to the top, and then and just head back. You know what I mean? Just a quick little ride, then get back to work. Gotta work to afford this CVO. You know what I mean? So all you guys out there, so if you're riding, ride safe, be safe, and enjoy your ride. You know what I mean? So all highways from here. So we'll see you. We're gonna film a little bit of the highway and everything, and a couple of the bikes on the way there. All right. So see you in a few. To get the fellas to get going here and get some footage of them riding, okay? So we got my boy there. I haven't gotten to know him yet, but we'll get to know each other on the mountain. He works with Bo at Hoboken Police Department. All right. Then we got Mr. Bo in the building. He's a new rider, getting to know the roads now. That's his brand new 2021 Road King. There you go. And we got my man Eddie. There he is. Relaxed, chill. He's looking good. Got a beautiful street glide. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, so we're gonna move right along and head into Bear Mountain. Stay tuned. All right, so we're about to approach Bear Mountain on the circle that we have over there. That's the one. No, we're almost there. There's a beautiful bridge with a scenic route. Usually it costs about $1 something to go through. You're about to see the bridge on the left side of me. Check it out. Check it out. I'm gonna go nice and slow so you guys can see the bridge here on the left side. See that right there? That's the bridge. Beautiful scenic route bridge. If you make a right after that, you're gonna run into some beautiful twisties and stuff. So here we go. Here we go. coming up to Bear Mountain. It's a great route going up. So if you're in the area of New York, New Jersey, this is the place to come. Also do some picnic here as well. I hope it's not closed. You know, sometimes shit's always closed and I'm like, oh, damn. See how it goes. A lot of twisties. Gotta be careful with oncoming traffic. You never know who's coming your way. If you haven't seen my video of Mount Washington, go check it out. I got like about 4 videos of Mount Washington, similar road to this, but more intense, obviously. So check it out. Excellent route, excellent route. Got some bikers that came up from the top. Coming down. Ears are starting to pop. Beautiful weather, beautiful weather today. I hope it's a little chilly up here. Okay, so we are here on top of the mountain. Look at this. Beautiful views. The bomb. Super hot. Super duper hot. It's like nobody here. It's like one person here. Usually there's people here packed on a Sunday. So let's go check out the bikes. Gonna check out the bikes real quick. As all you know, 2019 Street Glide CVO. There it is. Wow. We got that liquid gray. What year is your bike? 2010 Street Glide. It's got a nice 21 inch in the front with a wrap fender.
I think it's just keeping the Yeah, that's an engine.
Nice.
It drills with it. You know that.
Clean bike for a 10.
That heat that accumulates here. Yep. What it does, it draws it. It draws it from here and it blows out the back. And it gets it away from your
Look at
thighs.
that, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. He's got the speaker pods. He's got the, I mean, it's pretty cool. Nice color, nice color. We got the Road King 2021 from my man Bo. Sweet. And of course, Eddie's bike. Beautiful, clean black Street Glide. Probably dust this thing down every single day. I remember I used to have a black bike and damn it, it was a lot of work. All right, guys, so we'll see you on the way back home.